Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am MD Maruf Hussain. I am a regular student of Future IT Institute. I basically confirmed my admission through my friend MD Ronok Parvez and MD Shafiqul Islam Bhaiya in freelancing foundation course in batch number 157, 127 August 2024 online. My basic class started on Sunday 1st September 2024 through student meetup and orientation class which was instructed by Al Amin Islam. Then there were more like tools management as an instructor Bilal Hussain, MS Word as an instructor Badshah Khan, MS Excel as an instructor MT Robin, MS PowerPoint as an instructor Kausar Mahmoud Tasvir, Canva as an instructor Al-Af Muntasir Bhaiya, Portfolio website as an instructor Juthi Rani Ghosh, Google Family as an instructor Dona Dash, MS Account Creating as an instructor MD Ahsanullah, Content Creating as an instructor Parveen Akhtar Paru, Facebook Profile and Facebook Page Optimization as an instructor Rashid Ahmed, Video Editing by Mobile as an instructor Rashid Ahmed. I hope from here I can develop myself as a skilled and successful freelancer, inshallah. I hope everyone will big for me and everyone will be very well. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.